In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio or video files from your library. To get started, open the platform and navigate to your library. This is the main place where your saved or created tracks are stored. So if you're looking for files you've worked with before, this is where you'll find them. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific track or tracks that you want to download. Once you've found a track you want to save to your device, look for the three dots beside it. These three dots usually open a menu of additional actions for that item. Go ahead and click those dots next to the track you want to download. If you're downloading more than one file, you'll need to repeat this process for each track individually, so it helps to move carefully and confirm you're selecting the correct one each time. After the menu opens, choose the option that matches the type of file you want. If you only need the sound, select Download Audio. This is useful if you want a lighter file, or you only plan to use the audio portion. If you want the full visual file instead, choose Download Video. That option is best when you need the complete media file, including both picture and sound, if available. As soon as you click the download option, your browser or app should begin preparing the file. Depending on the size of the track and the speed of your internet connection, this may happen instantly, or it may take a few moments. If your device asks where to save the file, choose a location that's easy to remember, like your downloads folder or a project folder you've already set up. If you're downloading several tracks, simply return to your library and repeat the same process. Click the three dots beside each track, then choose either download audio or download video. Staying consistent with where you save your files can make them much easier to find later. And that's all there is to it. By going to your library, opening the three-dot menu beside each track, and choosing the correct download option, you can quickly save the files you need in the format that works best for you.